Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open dev mode in Lovable.dev. First, open Lovable.dev in your browser, then enter your username or email along with your password to log in and access your dashboard. Next, select the project you want to work on and make sure it is fully loaded in the dashboard. Then, look for settings or project settings in the sidebar or top menu. Some projects may also have a developer options section. In the developer options or advanced settings, find the dev mode option. Click Enable or Turn on Dev Mode. Enable these will unlock features such as custom code editing, access to the underlying HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and advanced debugging tools. A pop-up may appear asking you to confirm enabling Dev Mode. Click Confirm or Yes. Once Dev Mode is active, you can access the Dev tools. You may now be able to edit HTML and CSS directly, add custom scripts, use console logs and debugging tools, and preview your changes in real time. It is recommended to make small edits first to ensure you do not break any functionality. Test your project thoroughly after each change to avoid issues. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.